Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to mute the fist bumps on your League of Legends. So at first, just open your game through the right client, and as you open your game, you're on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right tab for the setting option, and as you say it, just click it to open the setting page. And as you open the setting page, all you have to do is look at your left and select this option interface, and just scroll all the way down until you see the option fist bump, and as you see it, just select this box and click on the option done. Let me show you guys again. So just open your game and then go on the option settings and go on the option interface and just scroll down where you can see fist bump, and as you see it, just select this box and press on done. So guys, that's how you mute fist bumps on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.